an optional choice before COVID-19 medical emergency has now become mandatory. It was meticulously organized by Birla High School, Mukundpur authorities. The teachers were instrumental in going through their topics and explaining it to students through virtual classroom. The classes were conducted in a phased manner, which helped the students to be engaged. The online classes and assignments helped the children to be disciplined and involved throughout. Overall, it was a very nice and happy experience.
Hello, I am Unmana Guha, mother of Udyan Guha, KGC. During this lockdown period, the school has decided to take online classes, which are very much helpful for kids, I think. They are providing various fun sheets, videos, so that the videos are available offline also, so that kids are able to see it repeatedly when it needed. As a parent, we are very happy with these online classes. So a big thank you to all the teachers who are trying their best to make every child understand the topic, and a big thank you the entire team of BHSM. Thank you so much.
It's pretty encouraging to see that Birla High School Mukundpur is making use of all the latest technologies to carry on with the classes even during the national lockdown. Thank you teachers for putting all the efforts.
Thank you, teachers.
Myself Shayantani Sanyal. My son Rishikalpa Sanyal recently got transferred from Delhi GD Goenka to Kolkata and admitted at Birla High School. Since the admission, he has been attending his classes through online platforms. Although it's put together fresh experience where physical classroom training converted into virtual experience. However, he always feels at classroom only. The amount of care, support, assistance and love extended by each and every teacher over virtual platform is well appreciated.
Here is Mohammad Sabran Bhattacharya of class 2A. In this crisis period, I really appreciate the efforts taken by all the teachers of Birla High School Mukundpur, who has made our words learn their lessons in an innovative and playful manner. I found most attractive the activities like making of bookmarker, celebration of nature, origami, exercises, drawing with letters which are words. Really enjoy it. I thank you and I'm grateful to you all mentors for everything.
I am Devishi, the mother of Arjadev Ghosh, who is in class 2A of Birla High School, Mukundpur. The lockdown made us familiar with a new way of learning, that is digital learning, which enables students to have a school-like environment from home itself. The safe yet effective way of smart and interactive teaching make the students engaged in different activities like conventional classroom sessions, extracurricular activities, some special classes to increase the motivation of the students in the confined time. The class teacher and the other teachers remain in continuous touch with the students to make them feel the life is on. I'm really very happy to be a proud member of Birla High School Mukundpur family. Thank you.